Hello again, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel again. So, we are talking about changing the mindset of trading, right? We are talking about wanting to lose in Forex. Okay, so today I want to reveal another strategy in that mindset. I mean, we're staying in the mindset of wanting to lose all the time in Forex, okay? This is never changes. Okay, so we have multiple of ways to trade with that approach. Okay, so the approach I want to talk about today is placing a buy or a sell above the 2 EMA line. Okay, so let's look over here. Let's say for the Euro USD, I bought here. Okay, when the price moved above the green 200 EMA, and now I'm running in profit, and very soon it's gonna take my stop loss, which my stop loss is actually a profit. Now bear in mind I'm talking about 0.02 lot. Okay, this is a very small account, and this is why I use such a small lot. But if you use one lot, which you multiply by 50, so you see the profit will be different. But that's the approach. Okay, let's see for the GBP USD. I did it again, but it's actually caught my price at break even and then shoot up. Nothing I can do about it. You know, it is what it is. Okay, so the AUD USD took us out. Actually, I'm supposed to take the profit only when the price reaches to the 200 EMA again. Okay, so if I bought it here, I need to wait until it will come over here. Okay, but because of the price and my experience, I can see that the price will go down. So I took the money earlier. Okay, you will learn over time when the price is going to come back down, or when it will go up. Also, I'm not entering every time the price is crossing the 200 DMA. I have some rules. You probably will learn it over time. I can't reveal everything, but that's the basic approach, okay? Because when the price goes, choppy around the 200 EMA, like here, you will have many losses. We don't want it to happen. This is will come with experience, okay? You have to wait and you have to practice, and you will become better to recognize situations when the price will go above the 200 MA and stay, and situations will come will it would cross the 200 MA, but you don't know if it's gonna keep up. Okay. Anyway, it's the same for short or long. I'm talking about long, but also shorts are the same. Same over here. Same over here. This is the approach. Okay, this is one I wanted to talk to you about today. As you can see, I sold here. I'm taking my profit over here. Why here? Because I wanted to break structure. Okay, this is the last lowest point, and I'm trying, and I see if the price will break it, then it probably will shoot up, and this is why I'm putting my stop loss over here. So my stop loss will be in profit, 0.02 $270, and if you multiply by 50, which is one lot, it's much more. It depends on your account size. That's the basic idea of everything. Okay, there's more to it, but I just wanted to reveal another system for you to trade. As I told you, there are many ways to trade in the mindset of losing. As long as you keep your mindset in the state of wanting to lose, you will win. Eventually, you will win. You might lose at first, but you will win eventually, and you will win big whenever you win. Okay, so keep that in mind. Never, never, never stop trying and practice and practice and practice. Practice makes perfect. Keep doing it. Never give up. It will come. You will understand. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.